All gaming coins have just about gone crazy this year. Looking at the year-to-date performance, most gaming coins saw a year high in March only to fall way below the price they started 2024 with. Giving you, and perhaps myself, the last chance to pick up a few coins for the back pocket before the next crypto bull run. You see, I'm a firm believer that the third cycle is just around the corner. Gaming on the blockchain has become one of the key sectors, and what started as a niche experiment has exploded into a key sector of the crypto space. Blockchain-based games that let you truly own in-game assets and earn cryptocurrency while you play. You see, that's the promise and the future of GameFi. But before we start, I want to welcome you to Crypto Never Sleeps. You see, it is truly with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you top quality projects. So please hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the live streams when they are on so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I am a real investor. So the first coin is Immutable with the ticker IMX. You see, as one of the leading layer 2 GameFi solutions with over 300 games, Immutable is perfectly positioned to take advantage of the overall market growth. And part of this growth is driven from the Immutable zero-knowledge Ethereum virtual machine becoming one of the fastest growing chains in history, going up to 2.2 million users in just 3 months. You see, Immutable zero-knowledge Ethereum virtual machine is one of the main components of the Immutable group, along with Immutable X, which can offer transaction speeds of up to 9,000 transactions per second. Immutable is among the top Ethereum gaming ecosystems regarding daily active addresses, with Immutable ZK EVM recording over 300,000 and Immutable X registering 19,000 daily active addresses. One of the most popular games built on Immutable is Gods Unchained, and it is a free-to-play trading card game built on the Ethereum blockchain, where players collect, trade, and battle with digital cards featuring powerful gods and mythical creatures. The unique aspect of the game is that players truly own their own cards, allowing them to trade and sell them for real-world value. And here are some of the latest news, and that is that Immutable has integrated Fireblocks, which is an infrastructure provider to help game developers manage and secure digital assets on its Web3 gaming blockchain. And the integration enables developers to store and manage assets like NFTs and DeFi-related assets with Immutable's Polygon-powered ZK-EVM chain, and this collaboration aims to streamline treasury management and strengthen security for games, DeFi projects, and ecosystem partners on Immutable. Now, Fireblocks security solutions also play a critical role in safeguarding assets across the platform. And the live IMX price today traded at $1.21, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 39. With a live market cap of almost 2 billion, that's a lot though. However, trading at 87% below its all-time high, which was recorded on November 26, 2021. So this could generate more than 680% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. Now the next project we're going to talk about is built on Immutable X layer 2 network, but also secured by Ethereum, and that is Illuvium. So, Illuvium, with the ticker ILV, is a role-playing and open-world fantasy game built on the Ethereum blockchain, as I just mentioned. And by leveraging Immutable X's capabilities, Illuvium ensures players can mint and trade their NFTs with zero gas fees, supports high levels of scalability, and practically instant transaction finality. So players also always maintain custody of their own assets while using IMX. Now in the Illuvium overworld game, players they can collect more than 150 unique 3D collectible creatures called Illuvials, which differ in terms of rarity, use cases, and desirability. And each Illuvial is represented as an NFT and can be purchased with Illuvium tokens, the native cryptocurrency of Illuvium. And you can play this beautiful game right now on Epic Game Store for free. And the token, the ILV, is an ERC20 token issued to liquidity providers on the platform's decentralized exchange. The token will and is being used for distributing rewards and governing the ecosystem. This game has a limited supply of only 10 million tokens and a circulating supply of 4.7 million. And now let's get into the news of Illuvium, because these are probably the biggest news of the day, or at least of this video. You see, Illuvium, they have partnered with Samsung to deliver a groundbreaking home entertainment experience through the metaverse showcased at Gamescom. And this collaboration highlights Illuvium's immersive gaming universe on Samsung's latest Web3 TVs, offering users a seamless integration of next generation gaming and technology. Now, attendees at the Gamescom, they could explore Illuvium's 3 games, Overworld, Arena, and Zero, on Samsung's cutting-edge hardware, gaining unparalleled clarity and immersion. The partnership also introduces the Samsung Gen 3 Rater NFT campaign, where users can unlock exclusive digital content by acquiring special NFTs. The live ILV price today traded at $36.16, and the coin market cap ranking is number 229 with a market cap of more than 170 million, trading at 98% below its all-time high, which was recorded on May 29th, 2021. So this could potentially generate more than 5,000% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. The next coin is Gala. You see, Gala Games is a blockchain-based play-to-earn gaming platform where players earn digital assets like crypto tokens or NFTs for their in-game achievements. The platform has a native token called Gala with the ticker GALA, and this token secures the platform and incentivizes players, obviously. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Gala has partnered with the Polygon network in order to provide investors and developers lower gas fees and much faster transaction times. And they got a few popular games, but I think the main game is Townstar, and this blockchain game lets players build essential components of a functioning town, like water points, crops, and storage facilities. Another game is Miranda's, which is a fantasy role-playing game. It's even for kids. It's not one of those adult games. However, in Miranda's, players fight monsters, develop lands, and earn rewards for their achievements. Other notable games include Spider Tanks, which is a multiplayer online battle arena game. And in Spider Tanks, players fight within various maps using different armaments. I want to add, I also bought an NFT from one of the games in Gala Games, and I think this is this Walking Dead, but I don't know if that has launched yet. Gotta look into that. Anyway, there's also some news when it comes to Gala, and you see, in the coming weeks or maybe months, Gala Games plans to shift operations to the Gala chain, and this autonomous blockchain network will have its official mainnet launch soon. Gala Games has also partnered with CoinFlow to introduce Google Pay and Apple Pay as new payment options within its platform. And this move obviously aims to provide users with more convenient and familiar methods of interacting with the Gala system. Initially, the new payment options will be available only for purchases in the Gala Game Store, but Gala plans to extend them to other areas like Gala Music and Gala Film. Integration is part of a much broader initiative to simplify digital asset transactions and enhance the user experience across the platform. And the live Gala price traded today at 0.017, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 91 with a market cap of around 600 million. This one is trading at 97% below its all-time high, which was recorded on November 26, 2021. This could generate more than 4,600% return on investment if and when it's going to hit its previous all-time high. Now we come to the fourth coin, and you probably also know this one. Sandbox with the ticker SAND, Sand. Sandbox is a metaverse game based on the Ethereum network, and the platform offers various NFT-based protocols that function in this virtual environment through Sand, the native cryptocurrency. And Sand is obviously an ERC20 token that powers the ecosystem and settles transactions. So players, they can leverage Sand to buy, sell, and trade assets, 3D objects representing different virtual avatars, including people, animals, and tools on Sandbox. Assets can be assessed on Sandbox's marketplace. Notably, assets can comprise non-fungible as well as fungible assets. We also got some news here. You see, the Sandbox dev launched the Voxel Games program, inviting indie developers and studios to create voxel-style games using engines like Unity and Unreal. And this initiative expands the Sandbox ecosystem by allowing games to be played across platforms while still incorporating blockchain features such as Sand tokens and obviously digital assets. With partners like Frag Games, it aims to increase interoperability and drive Web3 adoption. And the program also provides access to the Sandbox existing user base, offering new opportunities for both developers and players. And of course, we also got to look at the price, and it was trading today at around 24 cents, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 96 with a market cap of around 577 million. This one is also trading at 97% below its all-time high, which also was recorded in November 2021, and this could generate also more than 3,000% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous high. Now just remember, everything I say and do should not be considered financial advice. I think that goes without saying, both because I'm not your financial advisor, and also because I don't know shit about crypto. Having said that, I do want to add a fifth coin that I think is very valuable and that you should hold in your gaming portfolio, and that is Enjin. Enjin on the wall, who's the most beautiful coin of them all. Anyway, if this video gave you any kind of value, then you know what to do. Hit like, smash, and subscribe, and all them goodies. I hope to see you soon live, and that's all I got to say about that. But don't forget, Kitty, she loves you.